On the night of October 8, 1871, the city of Chicago was about to face one of the darkest disasters in American history. Chicago was a rapidly growing city, filled with wooden houses, crowded streets, and buildings made largely from timber. Then, shortly after 9 o'clock that evening, a fire began in a small barn on the southwest side of the city. The flames spread quickly. Strong winds pushed the fire from building to building, turning entire streets into a sea of flames. People ran through the streets carrying whatever they could save. Families were separated in the chaos. The fire continued burning throughout the night, and by the following morning, much of the city was in ruins. Thousands of homes had disappeared. Hundreds of thousands of people were left without shelter. But Chicago was not finished. As the flames finally died down, survivors began returning to the destroyed streets. They found their homes gone, their businesses destroyed, and their city almost unrecognizable. Yet, from the ashes, something remarkable happened. People began rebuilding. New buildings rose from the ruins, and Chicago slowly transformed into one of America's greatest cities. The Great Chicago Fire became a symbol of both destruction and resilience. A city had been nearly destroyed in a matter of days, but its people refused to let it disappear. And from those ashes, Chicago was born again.